Hey guys, Dr. Decks here. Today I want to talk to you about 5 things I didn't know about deck board bending. If you learn a little something about this video, or you like this page, or you like our channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button. 82% of you do not subscribe to our channel. We're trying to get that average up, so hit that subscribe button, please. We really appreciate it. One thing I didn't know when I was starting in my deck board bending career is that every product heats at a different rate. When you start bending different brands of decking, you got to figure out the exact temperatures and how long to cook each board for. It's very time consuming to figure that information out, but it's something I didn't know. It's like, oh, this brand took this much heat and this many amount of minutes, and this other brand, it heated a lot quicker. This is something I've come across as doing this for over 20 years. So that was the first thing that I really learned, was that different brands and different types of decking take different amounts of time to heat. The next thing that I have for you is every color in a particular collection will also take a different temperature setting to successfully bend. So let's just say, for instance, I have 3 different colors on this deck. 2 of them are bent. One's a dark hickory, one is mahogany. So each color will take a different temperature and a different length of time to heat up to make those correct bends. So not only do different products take different times, but different colors can also take different times and heat temperatures to make the correct bending. Third thing I learned was that cap composites and composite boards in general are much more difficult to bend than PVC. So if you're designing a deck and you're doing a composite and you want to do some curves, consider any surface borders that you're going to curve using PVC instead of composite or cap composite boards. It'll make your life 3 times easier than if you try to heat bend those composite boards, and you won't be able to bend them nearly as tight or as equal as you can a PVC board. Another thing that I learned the hard way about deck board bending is that you must start on a slower temperature and then get up to that temperature that you need to bend those boards. Unfortunately, when you run the blankets too hot, you get off-gassing in the boards and they start to blister. They don't like going from 0 to hero in 20 minutes. You gotta bring them up to temperature slowly. And I suggest going in segments of 20 degrees or 30 degrees, depending on what the temperature is. So if you're starting from a cold temperature, go to a threshold temperature of like 180, and then go up according to that. After you figure out your sweet spot, then you can start ramping those boards at that temperature, unless you're getting off-gassing in the planks. If you're getting off-gassing, it's better to either preheat the boards, or setting them out in the sun will also kind of do the same thing. So you gotta pre-warm them a little bit when you're trying to heat certain boards, because that way you avoid blisters. And the last thing I have for you guys is you gotta have a form to put the board in, and you need to have it accurate, and you need to have like a racetrack style form works best for this type of activity. So if you're gonna bend some boards and you have multiple radiuses to do, you gotta make a new form for each one. And usually what we do is we take some PVC boards and we bend them into the shape, just like these curves you see right here, and each board had its own specific form, and then it makes it nice and easy to make each piece. So I hope that helps somebody out there. If you're interested in learning how to bend decking, don't forget to go check out Dr. Deck's Masterclass of Deck Board Bending. Thanks for watching this video, you guys. If you liked it, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. Don't forget to like this video and leave us a comment below and let us know how we're doing with the channel. We thank you so much for coming here. Don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.